दक्षिण गोंयचे खासदार फ्रांसिस्को सार्दिनान गोंयच्या साबार मुद्द्यांचेर प्रश्न काढलो. नाफ्ता वाहू खातीर सार्दिन हांच्यांनी हुस्को उक्तायला. त्या भायर केंद्राक कर्नाटकान आनी गोंयान भाजप सरकार आसूनय म्हादयचो विशय कित्याक सुटना असो सार्दिन हांच्यांनी प्रश्न काढला. त्या भायर गोंयच्या वाडट्या बेरोजगारीचेरय प्रश्न केला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
About the cargo ship with 2,000 inflammable naphtha, which was berthed just in the Maramago port. They have all come to know that the captain of the ship is missing, not there, and it has drifted just around 2 kilometers from the coast of Nigeria. Luckily, up to now, there has not been any spillage, and which they are monitoring. If anything goes wrong, not only the coast, but even our rivers will be polluted. And the biggest danger is that the fishes in the rivers will be totally affected. First of all, how is that such a ship was allowed to enter the port? Madai. The Madai tribunal, whatever decision the Supreme Court took, both Karnataka and Goa have gone on appeal, which is pending in the Supreme Court. Now the government at the center is BJP, the government in Karnataka is BJP, and government is Goa in BJP. How could the central government, especially the Environment Ministry, give a clearance to Madai in Karnataka in the name of drinking water? Because we all know, in the name of drinking water, they will also continue with the irrigation. Recently, this government has conducted, we had that vibrant Goa. We were very happy because finally they said, and we also feel, the goal is to bring employment to this state because a lot of our educated youth are unemployed. But we have seen on the other hand, all the industries in Goa, many of them are under the brink of closure, including Zuari Agrochemicals.